It is more than concrete and steel. It is a harmonious addition to the landscape.
Buried in the mountains, the massive anchors hold it all together.
An engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of what is possible. The Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge, a path above the clouds. In the mountains of Guizhou, a rift in the earth separated communities for centuries.
The Beipan River Gorge is a treacherous, vertical landscape where gravity is the ultimate enemy. To conquer this void, engineers proposed a structure that would defy imagination.
Before the machines arrived, men climbed these cliffs to map the impossible.
The plan was to build the Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge, the highest bridge in human history. For decades, crossing this canyon meant a treacherous 70-minute journey through winding roads.
In January 2022, the silence of the gorge was broken by the roar of diesel engines.
The foundation work began on rock that was brittle, sharp, and unforgiving. Every inch of steel had to be precise to anchor the massive towers to come. Massive pits were excavated to hold the concrete roots of this engineering giant. Thousands of tons of concrete were poured, creating a base stronger than the mountain itself.
Work continued through the night, a beacon of light in the dark canyon.
Once the foundation set, the stage was ready for the towers to rise. Now, the vertical ascent began. Hydraulic climbing forms were installed to mold the towers section by section.
Day by day, the concrete pillars climbed higher into the Guizhou sky. Working at these heights requires nerves of steel and absolute focus.
Communication is critical when the ground is hundreds of meters below.
The East Tower raced to meet its counterpart, a twin giant growing from the cliffs.
High-grade concrete was pumped vertically, defying gravity before it even set.
By mid-2022, the scale of the project was becoming undeniable. Crossbeams were cast to lock the two legs together, ensuring stability against high winds.
By April 2023, the first tower breached the 199-meter mark.
It is a grueling environment, hot in the summer and freezing in the canyon winter.
Finally, the towers stood tall at 262 meters, the gatekeepers of the canyon.
These concrete sentinels were now ready to hold the weight of the world.
To connect the towers, a drone flew the first pilot line across the 1,420-meter span.
A single thin thread connected the two sides for the first time.
That thread pulled a rope, the rope pulled a cable, and the connection grew stronger.
The catwalk was deployed, a swaying mesh path for workers to walk the sky. This temporary path paved the way for the main cables. Massive steel saddles were lifted to the tower tops to cradle the main cables. Precision alignment was crucial. A millimeter of error here could mean disaster. Then began the spinning of the main cables, a mesmerizing dance of steel wires. Back and forth, the wheel traveled, laying thousands of individual wires. Teams of men on the catwalk clamped the wires, bundling them into strands. They worked suspended over the highest drop of any bridge on Earth.
Week after week, the cable grew in diameter, becoming a massive steel artery.
Hydraulic compactors squeezed the wires into a perfect circle. The cable was wrapped to protect it from the humid canyon air. Two massive cables now span the void, ready to bear the weight of the deck. Heavy steel clamps were bolted onto the main cable at precise intervals.
Cables were hung, dangling down like giant strings, waiting for an instrument.
Far below, the steel segments of the bridge deck arrived. A specialized crane began the long lift from the valley floor. Slowly, the steel section rose 600 meters into the air. High above, the assembly team waited to catch the flying steel. The first piece was locked into place, suspended in mid-air.
Welders fused the segments together, creating a seamless spine. Piece by piece, the deck extended from the towers toward the center.
The crane operators performed a delicate ballet with tons of steel. The gap in the middle began to shrink. The final keynote segment was lifted to close the span. With the final piece in place, the canyon was conquered. A continuous steel ribbon now connected the two sides of the gorge. But the work was not done. The tension had to be perfectly balanced.
The steel truss design allows the wind to pass through, keeping the bridge stable.
Workers began preparing the deck surface for the roadway. A layer of concrete was added to stiffen the deck and prepare for asphalt. Paving machines laid the black asphalt, transforming steel into a highway. Steamrollers smoothed the surface to highway perfection.
The Luzi-Anlong Expressway now had a path through the sky.
Safety barriers were installed to guide the traffic of the future. Advanced fiber optic sensors were embedded into the cables. These sensors provide a live heartbeat of the bridge, monitoring stress and load.
The steel was painted to protect against corrosion and to stand out against the sky.
For the brave, a glass walkway was installed on the side.
A terrifying view for tourists who want to walk on air.
Reinforced glass, strong enough to hold a crowd, was locked into place. A platform was prepared for the world's highest bungee jump.
On August 21, 2025, the ultimate test began.
A fleet of heavily loaded trucks rolled onto the deck for the load test.
They parked in formation, applying maximum stress to the structure. Engineers watched the data streams, measuring the bridge's deflection. The bridge flexed, exactly as designed, absorbing the immense weight.
By August 25, the test was declared a complete success.
Final preparations were made, polishing the jewel of Guizhou.
As the sun rose, the Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge was ready.
On September 28, 2025, the bridge officially opened to the world.
The first travelers crossed the gorge, floating 625 meters above the river. What once took over an hour now took just 60 seconds. A journey that used to dominate the day was now a fleeting moment of wonder. Far below, the river continues to carve the canyon, unaware of the triumph above. Connectivity in the region was transformed instantly.
For the isolated villages, the bridge meant hope and revitalization.
It became a beacon for tourism, drawing crowds to the edge of the sky. Thrill seekers found a new paradise, diving into the abyss.
A free fall into the heart of the Huajiang Canyon.
At night, the bridge glows, a ribbon of light in the darkness.
The flow of commerce and life never stops.
Buried in the mountains, the massive anchors hold it all together. The towers stand as a testament to precision engineering. Maintenance crews continue to watch over the structure.
The smart bridge listens to its own structural health, day and night. It is more than concrete and steel. It is a harmonious addition to the landscape. The Huajiang Canyon Bridge. An engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of what is possible. Economic lifeblood now flows freely between Liuji and Anlong.
A shadow cast over the history of isolation.
Built by the hands of thousands who dedicated years of their lives. Their sweat and sacrifice built a legacy. The mountains are no longer a wall, but a backdrop. Suspended by physics, driven by ambition. From the first drill to the final bolt.
As the sun sets on the canyon, the bridge stands vigil. A destination for the brave.
Strength in tension.
Guizhou, the Museum of World Bridges, has a new crown jewel.
a reflection of human ingenuity. Where the road meets the clouds.
Connecting people, changing lives.
Taller than the tallest skyscrapers, it stands alone. Verified, tested, and proven. A vertical drop that defies the senses.
Built to withstand the fiercest storms nature can summon.
A monument to the future of infrastructure. The Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge, a path above the clouds. A wonder of the modern world.